Yo, what's going on? In this video, I'm gonna give a breakdown on gold and explain positions that I took in this area, and then the position that I got that's in this area. So we can start off on the daily, and on the daily, we just looking for trend. Now, at first, gold had a lot of selling pressure, as you see, making lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. So then I seen gold make this last lower low, and then buyers stepped into the market, shot price back up, but then price was able to retest that previous low down here. Make this a little better. Retest this previous low down here, and then from that point, it started just pulling back, pulled back into this area, and then it created a higher low, a higher high. I guess a higher low. As you see, once price broke through this zone right here, it came back and retested it with this wick. So I just dropped to lower time frames and look for an entry within this area. And why that area? Because I chose this zone because, as you see, price reacted to this zone once, twice, three, four, about like 5 or 6 times. So what I'm expecting for is this to happen. It's pulled back, and then these levels just to get smashed. This level, but like I said, there's no telling when these levels, my higher time frame levels, will get smashed. So I tend to focus on the lower time frame, which is better for me for some reason. Basically, so on the 4 hour, just scanning through, seeing what I can see, making sure that my SMAs maintain when price was within this area. So then jump to the 1 hour, and it's pretty much the same thing. I just want to make sure I got multiple confluence before I take the trade. But honestly, I did take this trade earlier once price was down in this area. I just got in. My first trade was at a second. First trade I took was at 1772. So actually, price put me in right here. So my first trade was right here. And, oh my bad. Let me erase some of this. Get the chart back clear. So this was my first trade was at 172. Was at 1772. Nah, stop loss. Honestly, I was willing to let it I didn't have that much. To be honest with you, I didn't even set a stop loss on this. I was that confident in the trade. Don't do that. You don't supposed to do that, but yeah, I didn't have a stop loss on this. All honestly, so I just got in at 1772, and I was expecting price since you had a lot of like movement within this area. Okay, you got price breakthrough, created support, um, price broke through, create support or resistance within this area. So then I was just expecting price to come and touch this area, which it touched it. Came back, rejected a little bit. I got out somewhere around here, but I ended up banking like 40 pips, 30 pips. Excuse Excuse me, I'm tired of shit. So then I dropped to a lower time frame, like 15 minutes, just to see what was going on. As you see, market structure is perfect. Like even with my entry, like at 1772, as you see, price was rejecting this level right here, and it came up, and it came back, bam. Like I got in right there, and as you see, and I had no drawdown, literally. So technically, a good stop loss could have been, I guess you could have said right here. So now, what happened was, and I entered another position right here. We can get rid of this one. Price broke through, retested those highs, came back and retested this level. So this how this trade look right now with my stop loss around here. First targets would be these highs. Second target would be these highs. Third target would be in this area. And I got my targets off of, I want to say 30 minutes. So first target was this previous level. Second target was this indecision level right here. The third target was the original high. Well, as you can see, this last target had a lot of support and resistance within there. So they break down my gold trade is what 4:40 a.m. I already have my stop loss and my take profit set, so I'm gonna go to sleep on this trade and see what it do. But yeah, I'm definitely looking for especially with my lower time frame, I'm definitely looking for a price to just um come up. Probably have some type of rejection at this level due to it being one of those main levels, and then break to that level or something like that. But you know the market could do whatever it want to do, so let's see. Just like with this spike right here, if you go to a higher time frame, you'll see this literally is just one candle, like one candle. Bam, it's crazy. So yeah, we see. Check backward. I'll probably wake up no later than 8. Get a good 4 hours, 3 hours of sleep. So far so good.